Hi again, it's Melissa from One Hot Bite. Today we are making a noodle dish. So rice noodles. This is a Thai beef and basil noodle with shiitake mushroom gravy. So this has all the flavors you can imagine, a lot of fresh produce. We're gonna work with bok choy, shiitake mushrooms, because that's the gravy, ground beef, and some rice noodles. So really simple ingredients, a very simple sauce. I'll walk you guys through each thing. Hope you're all happy, healthy, and well. And while we're at it, why don't you hit that subscribe button, give me some likes, comment below, and welcome here today. We're gonna make something fabulous. Hope you like my new apron. I got it for Mother's Day, so I'm super excited about it. I love the color. That was a side note. But anyhow, let's get this cooking really quick. We're gonna put together our rice noodles. Those of you that haven't cooked with those before, they're super simple. They come together really fast. You can boil them, or you can just put boiling water over the top of them and let them sit. I'm gonna boil them really quick. You'll see that happen. And we're gonna ground our beef. So anyhow, let's get cooking. All right, we're flying through this. We've got our noodles done. We've got our beef done. It's set aside. Let's chop up our bok choy and thinly slice our shiitake mushrooms. I'm gonna use a trick that I learned from another chef, Chef Jeff. Thank you so much for this tip with our ginger root, and you guys will see that. If you haven't checked out his channel, go check out his channel. Again, it's Chef Jeff, and I'll put it down below as well with the recipe, and you guys can learn a tip too. I'm gonna spread the love. Here's the tip I learned. Take your spoon and your ginger root, and this is how you peel it. It gets on all those grooves, makes it super simple. As you can see, way better than a peeler. I'm never going back. We have everything chopped up and ready. We're gonna go ahead and saute our vegetables and get those just a little bit tender, and then we're gonna roll all this together. It's gonna come together super fast. So let's get it together. look at that. We made it through another hot bite from One Hot Bite. Thai basil beef noodle with a shiitake mushroom gravy. Let's give it a taste. Try and get everything in a bite here because we want it all. So fresh, so yummy, so good. And we have another dish, 420 calories per serving, so still under the 500 mark. If you're watching your calories or intake, you can't go wrong with this. This is a great, satisfying, fresh, non-offensive dish. Not too spicy, not too sweet. It's delicious. So thank you guys for being here. I love you all. And I'll see you next Thursday with another hot bite. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.